Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they want to do this right here with these 3D looking blocks, or going like the one of them's inside the other one. And I'd really never have seen this before, and because I've done this a lot, and that's why he reached out to me, because I actually have a lot of videos on doing this. You know, you take a rectangle, make sure you get pretty much all of everything, or at least the green part, and then you hold down the shift key and you grab that and you intersect it, and then that new intersection is a part of the item, and then you can get rid of your red box and take that and go up to object, order backup page, and then you can take that and just move it up. But he's getting these lines, and that might be in some way how he created the boxes. So I'm going to help him figure out how to get rid of those black lines. You cannot just left click and take away the lines, because that takes away all the lines. Now, granted, you could probably stretch those other lines and do it manually, and you're going to have to take that back. You're going to have to do this manually anyway, but this is kind of the way I would do it. I would nudge that down, and let me make my nudge a bit less, like 15 inches, so it'll at least stay in the picture. And so we've got this item with black lines, and we can't really just recreate it, because it's got a shadow effect, like some yellow and some black. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. And on that one, I'm going to take away the outline. Okay, I've still got the greenery. This one, I'm going to take away the fill. Okay, so we want the lateral lines. We don't want the vertical lines. So what we can do is take the shape tool, probably have to ungroup it, take the shape tool, and maybe what I would do is select it all, then grab the shape tool. Well, we're going to have to do it individually. I'm going to right click, break it apart. 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 Then I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and that line, and that line. Now I can move this back, and I'm going to have to go and put order front of page. Well, I was confused which one I had. Let me move these over here, and while I got them selected, go object order front of page, and then I can move the whole thing back up, and we get that effect. Now, I don't know. I think it's the way he drew it, and is what's causing us the problem. But it looks like it's behind there and in front of there. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.